Hello from the Washington State Archives. I'm Jamison Murphy and I'm going to show you how to pack an archives box. The main goal is to utilize your space efficiently while organizing your materials in a clear, easy to understand manner. The main thing you should know is this is the front of the box. All your files will always face the front of the box. If you're using legal size documents, turn the box sideways. This is the front of the box and all your files will face forward. The box's label is always going to be on the same end of the box. The label end of the box will always be facing out while stored at the record center. When an archivist opens the box or when you revisit the box at a later time, you will face the label your way when you open the lid to the left, and all your files will be facing you so you can clearly see everything in the box. On that note, make sure everything is neat so loose papers don't block the file labels. Now, you're going to want to have each box equal to a unit of time, such as a fiscal year, a semester, or a quarter. Also, alphabetical order is a very common method. Just be sure to use the same filing system that you use in your own departmental filing system. If you're transferring records to the record center, you cannot put more than one record type in a box. If you're transferring records to your regional branch, try to limit each box to one record type unless they have the same retention schedule, in which case it is encouraged in order to avoid sending mostly empty boxes. Just clearly mark what is in the box on the box label and on the transmittal. Now, a couple things that you do not want to do when you're packing your archives box. Don't overfill the box. It won't fit neatly onto a pallet, and as mentioned before, the archives is keen on efficient use of space. Don't include artifacts or objects. Don't put binders in the boxes. Remove documents from binders and then put them in files when possible. Spiral notebooks are okay as long as they fit neatly in the box and you face them so you can tell what it is. Now a tip on the actual physical process of putting things into your box. I like to tilt the box on its side so that files don't fall over. That way you can just set files in like this, and as soon as they start sliding out, you can prop it up with a roll of duct tape, and then things will go in very nice and neatly. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and on behalf of the Secretary of State of Washington, thank you for watching, and thank you for using the Washington State Archives.